In this video, I'll show you how to load your paper in your Canon PIXMA TS6520. So let's get started. This printer is capable of taking up to 100 pages at the same time. So you're going to come on the front of the printer, you're going to stick your finger right over here where you see there's a small gap, and you're going to pull this drawer towards yourself. Now, maybe you'll have to hold the printer so it doesn't slide. And this drawer is completely removable. You don't have to do it. You can simply stop at this point, but just to show you, I have removed it. And you're gonna see that we'll have some blue guides over here that we need to move around. So depending what kind of paper you're gonna insert, you're gonna adjust these. In my case, this is US letter size. So for this example, I need to put these completely towards the extremity, simply push them. Then you'll need to adjust this middle blue tab, and depending which paper you have, they will all be marked over here. You see, if you're printing on letter size, like I think 99% of people, you're going to select LTR. So simply bring this guide until you are over here. And as I said, this printer takes a maximum of 100 pages. Never go above this small, I don't know how you call it, small thing that is sticking out over here. If not, your printer will get jammed. So to insert paper, you simply have, okay, to take your stack, make sure it's aligned, and you're gonna simply put it like this. Put back the drawer, and before printing, always extend the paper output so that the paper doesn't come flying out on your table or on the floor. So this is it. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like. Check my Amazon links down below. If you want to get some paper for this printer, I have put a few links. And yeah, leave a comment and I'll see you in the next one.